All right, so what's nice about this, this actually comes in a pretty good case. I have not used this yet. I originally bought this for doing an entertainment center that I'm building. I want a Dado, those shelves in. I want a pretty good one. And I got a deal on this DEWALT. Other brands, of course, are Freud. That's the most popular one. I was looking at that one. Harbor Freight got one from Bauer as well. So let's jump over to the website. I want to show you them. Then we'll go back to this. And here is that DEWALT Dado set. More popular one is the Freuds that are really popular. You hear a lot about those. There's a couple different Freud ones. Here's a super Dado set for $179. And you got a smaller Dado set for $144. And if you go back to that DEWALT, that was $139. Harbor Freight has one as well that has a pretty good price point on it. That is $64. All right, let's get back to the DEWALT. Okay, so we're going to go through each one of these, starting with the middle. So 8 1/8 by 24 tooth. Just have that on it. Spacer in between those. Another protector. These are actually pretty thick blades. My other old one I had, it was an old Delta that wasn't even carbide. It was really old. Inherited from my dad. I guess it was probably 50 years old. I just threw it away. You got these two blades. Now how a Dado works is that your two blades are on each side. And then how thick you want it, there's various spaces and your cutters. Now I have a Hercules table saw. And unfortunately, the arbor is not very big on that saw. So I can probably only get two blades together, maybe this, I am not sure. This I more bought for a saw stops table saw that I plan on getting. But that Hercules had a good price point on it, $299 versus a saw stop, which is $3,200. So we're going to do what we can with the Hercules and try that. I'm going to actually do a separate video of that Hercules. So if you have that Hercules, be on the lookout for that. So let's start here. These are the spacers. This is a 0.20 4-piece. And they are marked, each one. Over here, this is a 0.005 4-piece. These are really thin. Okay, back here, 0.10 4-piece, again marked, because you know if those weren't marked, you know they'd get confused of which is which. Here we got the cutters, and these are all marked as well on there. And it says we have a 1/16, 1 3/32, and 4 1/8 inch. Eighth inch, again marked with the arrow. A 1/16, which I want one of those. A 3/32, one of those. And these are all the rest of the 8 inch. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. What do you use these Dado sets for? Are you building furniture like me? Leave it in the comments. Let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.